TikTok Shop, integrated into the TikTok application, enables direct purchasing of products within the platform. A common issue encountered by users is the failure of products to display correctly. This problem frequently arises from app-related glitches, regional access restrictions, or specific user settings. As of September 2025, recent application updates have addressed numerous prevalent issues. If products are not visible, initiate troubleshooting by first ensuring the TikTok application is updated. Ensure the application is updated to the most recent version, specifically version 35.0 or later, released in early 2025. This update incorporates improved product loading algorithms. Then, clear the application's cache within the device settings to resolve potential data corruption. For Android users, go to Settings, then Apps, then TikTok, and select Clear Data. Finally, verify that your device's operating system meets the minimum requirements. TikTok requires iOS 15 or later for iPhone devices and Android 8 or later for Android devices. These steps should resolve most visibility issues with TikTok Shop products. If the initial troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue, more advanced solutions may be necessary. Begin by confirming that the application has the required permissions. On iPhones, navigate to Settings, then TikTok, and ensure that location services, storage, and camera access are enabled. Android users should follow a similar process within the Apps section of the device settings. Network connectivity can also influence product visibility. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection may prevent the application from fetching product data. Disabling any active VPN connections, as they may interfere with regional content restrictions, and try switching networks. As a preventative measure, periodically clear the application's cache and data to maintain optimal performance. Furthermore, remain informed about application updates and install them promptly to benefit from bug fixes and performance enhancements. If all troubleshooting methods fail, contacting TikTok's support team directly is recommended for personalized assistance.